Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to run through a bunch of charts here. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up for the free 7-day trial. All you need to do is create a username and password. No credit card or payment information is required. Once you do that, you'll gain instant free access to all of the member-only features like the live chat room, daily exclusive member-only watch lists, member videos, constant market analysis, educational videos, and the daily lunchtime webinars. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. All right, so let's get into these charts. What I want to look at here is RF, Regions Financial Corporation. We've got a downtrend line right here, a few touches here, a few touches here, and then we broke over it right here. We have some nice big volume coming into the stock right here. We're at a level of resistance right here. We're pretty much right at it at 840. A break over that can send this higher. Next resistance I'm seeing is right above, right at 925. We can break this 840 and we can tag this 925 up there. If we consolidate lower, we've got this uptrend line support as well as the retest of the lower trend line or of the downtrend line that we broke over. So I believe between $8 and $7.75 is going to be a good buy if it makes its way down there. Next, I'm going to check out Bank of America. Bank of America, we've got this little mini uptrend line working for us. We've got this resistance at about 1390. If we can clear 1390, as you can see from the highs of these few candles, and these candles over here, if we can clear 1390, we can come up here and tag this level of resistance at 1525 or so. As you can see, we've got this largest volume by price bar right here on the chart, and there's heavy resistance in that range. And as you can see, the volume by price bars drop off significantly once we get over that 1390 mark. So a break over 1390 is the level that we're going to be looking for to see if this stock can continue higher. Next, I'm going to cover Huntington bank shares. We've got this downtrend line right here that we broke over. As you can see, several touches here, and then I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And as you can see, we've got so many touches, about 3 weeks of candles where almost every single one of them touched that downtrend line, and finally we broke over it with yesterday's candle, and then today's candle we saw a nice bullish break, and we broke over these previous highs over here, over that resistance. So I believe we can head higher up into that 1025 mark is going to be that next range up there. Next, we've got HewlettPackard. We've got this nice flat top breakout. This is the support down here at about 1235. As you can see, it was the highs of about 7 or 8 days around here. We broke over that with today's action, and over here it was the highs of all these candles as well. So some really nice action on HPQ. Last couple days we saw some nice volume coming into that stock. As you can see, yesterday was a nice hammer candle with some heavy volume, so they bought the lows and closed it green. That was a nice little sign right there, and then we broke over that resistance. So another thing I want to point out is the Bollinger Bands right here are extremely tight, so we could see a pretty big move to the upside on HPQ moving forward. Next, I want to cover Ford. Ford, we've got this really nice downtrend line to play off against. We've got several touches here, several touches here, several here, 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 and here. So we've got a lot of touches on this downtrend line. So this is a key level for forward here. Okay, we've got this uptrend line as well. Definitely not as significant as the top line here because we've got a fraction of the amount of touches. Okay, the market tells us which is the most important trend line. We don't tell it. So we've got this uptrend line with a few touches here, and we're going to come back up here, it looks like, to retest this downtrend line. A break over this downtrend line would certainly be pretty bullish for forward. I'm not saying it's going to do that. I'm just saying that if it does, that would be bullish. So look for that, or look for a potential rejection up there. Next, I want to cover SWN. Nice energy name, breaking out over resistance right here from these previous highs. We broke over that resistance yesterday. We're consolidating here. I believe that a touch of 950 is going to be a good opportunity to potentially get long for SWN. Next resistance I'm seeing of any significance is up at the $12 mark. If we can hold this 950, I believe 1250 is going to get hit. Next, I'm going to cover MRO. Got a break over this downtrend line. We've got a few touches here, a couple touches here, and then as you can see, we've got this uptrend line right here. So we're above this resistance from these highs, resistance right there, and we're above that right here with this candle. We're consolidating. We've got about $12, 1180 is going to be support, as well as this uptrend line right here. All right, guys, that's all I have for now. As always, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it as always. Again, if you're not already a member, you can sign up for free. No payment information required. You can join the fastest growing community on the web. We'll see you over there.